Working long hours with poor posture? Poor posture affecting your daily life? Correct your posture, enhance your comfort. Provides gentle support for posture correction. Let's see how to wear this product. Measure circumference around the chest below underarm to choose correct size, available in various sizes S, M, L, XL, XXL. This is posture brace. Unfasten all shoulder straps, then unfasten the lower waist strap to prepare the brace for wearing. This back panel should be positioned on the back. Attach the shoulder straps to the brace. It will now be ready to wear like a backpack. Wear the posture brace like a backpack and adjust it for a comfortable fit. Bring the stretchable lower strap around to the front of your body. Tighten the lower strap to your desired level of support, then fasten it securely. Adjust the shoulder straps to your desired tightness for a comfortable fit. Extra soft shoulder padding helps reduce pressure. Helps correct rounded shoulders and slouching for better posture. Thanks for watching.